Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, the weather is starting to change a bit. We're having cooler mornings and cooler evenings. So that lets me know it won't be long until the fall season begins. But here in the South, we don't have any leaves changing colors just yet. I wanted to get a jump on the season though, and today I'm going to bring you my autumn leaf tablescape. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm going to be using my placemats. They have gold and rust and brown autumn leaves. And I'm going to use my bronze chargers. I picked up a set of dishes. These came from Dollar Tree. They had the fall leaves on them and acorns. This is the dinner plate. And they also had the salad plate. It says grateful. Now you could use it like this, but for today, so that I'll have something old and something new, I'm going to change it up a bit. I've decided to use my anchor hocking plates. These are peach luster, and the pattern name is called Suburbia. They have sort of a swirl pattern, and they definitely add the bling to the table. So I thought I would use that today and then pair it with the leaf plate that says grateful. They also had some stemware at Dollar Tree that match. They've got the fall leaves and the acorns. Going to pair with that my mugs. These are the peach luster mugs. For the flatware, I'm going to be using my wooden handled flatware. I'm using gold napkins today, and I have a cute little orange pumpkin napkin ring. For the centerpiece today, I'm using one of my floral designs. This arrangement, here in the center, I've got some wire, sort of bronze leaf candle holders, and I've got the rust colored candles, and there are gold peonies and rusty colored autumn berries, and I have the fall pumpkins and gourds, and there are also these little pumpkin stems that have the teeny ones that remind me of the candy corn pumpkins. For this table, I pulled out a lot of my leaf serving pieces. Of course, I had to use some pumpkins too. I've got a peck of pumpkins. I think that's so cute. And I went ahead and put out a turkey. I know it's a little early, but I like to use my turkeys throughout the whole fall season. And this is a pretty orange and yellow with green around the edge leaf, like a double leaf tray. And at the back corner, I have a really pretty colorful leaf tray. And then I've just set another leaf bowl on top. I think that all the peach luster is so pretty this time of year. I like to pull it out, and I also like to pull out the amber and the orangey tone glass. I think So pretty with the autumn colors. Here on this side, I've got a cute little leaf that has an acorn spreader. Here's some more leaves. And I've got an amber cake stand, and on top here I've set this pretty little three-sided dish. It's got acorns in it and fall leaves. And tucked in right here at the back, I have one more turkey candy dish. Set there in the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure and leave a comment below and share it with a friend. Subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.